Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to create PayPal account without credit card or bank account. So first thing that you will do guys is simply go to paypal.com and just simply tap the sign up now button and just choose personal account for personal use. And from there guys, just simply fill in the details and simply provide your email, create a secure password, and provide your phone number. And make sure your email is active because PayPal will send a confirmation code over there. Once you have done that, just simply complete the security challenge. So just simply select I am a human and enter the OTP sent to your phone. And after that, guys, just simply provide the personal information that you have. So just fill in your personal information, including your full name, ID type like a national ID, and ID number, and the date of birth as well. And from there, just simply choose an ID type like your SSS or UMID. Once you have done that, just simply enter your address, agree to the terms, and create your account. And from there, guys, it will prompt you to add your debit or credit card. And down below, just simply select not now. And from there, guys, just simply check your email for a verification link from PayPal and click on activate your account. And from there, just simply enter your password and confirm. And once you are verified, you'll be directed to your PayPal dashboard and you'll be able to start using PayPal account. And that's simply about it. Just simply tap on Not Now when it prompted you to add your debit or credit card or a bank account. There you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.